Welcome to Takeda's Round Lake facility. This site is part of Takeda's plasma network and specializes in the production of flexbumin. Over 500 employees work to create life-improving products for patients around the world, with key markets in the US, China, and India.
The product that we make, flexbumin, which is albumin in a flexible container, and the people who receive our product are not in a good way. So it gives me a sense of purpose.
The supervisor for filling team, we are responsible for the day-to-day production of the batches. It's very critical that we make sure that we do it the first time the right way, avoid any deviations or any exceptions.
Success in my role looks like getting the product out of the door and out of our manufacturing site with the safety and quality behind it, and making sure that it's the best product possible for our patients.
Every day that I'm here, I know that everything that I'm doing, it's gonna make someone have a better day, a better week, a better month.
We are driven by our values, focused on putting the patient at the center of everything we do.
I think Takeda is different because we live our mission.
Takeda is very strong in what they call takeda-isms, which are integrity, perseverance, honesty, and fairness. And those are brought to life through what we call PTRB, patient, trust, reputation, and business. And that is our decision-making lens at the company.
The people here are great. Everyone wants to work as a team. And so when they talk about being a team here, they truly mean it.
It's very welcoming, it's nurturing, it's a warm environment that I want to wake up and come to work every day to work with my teammates.
We have great work environment here. Somebody coming in new would have the opportunity to learn new things, understand the process, would have great team members. Someone coming in the experience can also apply in different areas, so there's a lot of potential over here.
We provide opportunities for employees to speak up, to attain their career goals, and we like to have fun because it's necessary to celebrate our employees and embrace different cultures and diversity in order to make the company successful.
I like working at Takeda because there are opportunities to continue to grow for yourself as well as a team setting.
I enjoy the fast-paced environment, I enjoy the variety, and I enjoy the opportunities that we have every day to learn and grow and develop, not only ourselves, but each other.
Takeda provides opportunities for everyone. Takeda needs diverse groups of people, diverse thinkers, and as the company continues to move forward, we'll need more forward thinkers, so everyone should give it a try.
The Takeda Round Lake facility is proud to be part of the global Takeda network and is committed to bringing better health and a brighter future to patients worldwide.